Hey.
Hey, Anwar, Asim, where are you? Aren't you supposed to be at the film shoot with Derek?
Yeah, we were walking our pets and completely lost track of time.
We walked pretty far too. Where are we?
I don't know. We're kinda lost.
Well, I'm in Thailand, so I can't really help you. But use Navigator to get back to the office quick.
Good idea.
Navigator gives you walking navigation to your destination.
The ability to have visual AR navigation that matches with user locations is definitely the thing from the future.
Use this sample project to learn how to build navigation experiences that use the new Snap Map tiles, compass heading, and GPS location capabilities.
Thanks, Sufi. Here at Niantic, we just updated Peridot Beyond to be a shared experience using Spectacle's Sync Kit. Now, you and your friends can take your dots for a walk outside, pet them, and feed them together, amplifying the magic of having a virtual pet.
And if your real dog gets jealous of all the time you're spending with your dots, the Doggo Quest lens gamifies your dog walking experience. The glasses recognize your dog using SnapML to add visual effects and track metrics about your dog walks. This includes routes using your GPS coordinates, number of steps, and your dog's activities. The lens also lets you collect virtual bone rewards and learn about dog facts along the way.
It's been so inspiring to see our friends at Utopia Lab, Niantic, and Wabisabi create these awesome experiences that get you outdoors on Spectacles. They leverage several of the new platform capabilities we're making available in our latest SnapOS release, such as improved GPS accuracy, reliability, and latency, especially in urban environments, a north-aligned compass heading, a 2D map component, and a sample project to bring it all together. We're also bringing custom locations and groups to Spectacles to enable developers to create large indoor guided experiences like museum tours and location-based activations. Simply connect multiple locations using the new scanning lens and directly import into Lens Studio. There's so much more in this release to help users take Spectacles on the go, including our Captive Portal mobile update and the new Internet Availability API. So check out the latest release notes to learn more.
From redesigning the way we navigate in the world,
To rethinking the way we care for our most beloved companions.
Whether real or imagined.
We're so excited to see what you'll build, both indoors and outdoors, with these new capabilities.